In this video, I'm going to talk about 5 different types of affiliate marketing platforms you might want to join as a creative business owner. So let's dive in. Hi everyone, I'm Laney. I'm first and foremost an invitation designer, but I've grown my business to make over 6 figures in just affiliate marketing payments every year. And I just am launching my new course called Clicks to Cash that's going to teach you all about affiliate marketing. One of the most common questions I get is what programs you should join at the start. So my first piece of advice is to always join programs of things that you love, actively are using, and can share really authentically. When it comes to affiliate marketing, authenticity is basically your only currency. The most important currency, the number one thing that you can do is share these things authentically because people can see through it if you're not sharing authentically. So when you're thinking of these different products, I want to give you some ideas to maybe expand where you're looking, because you might think, oh, how do I join an affiliate marketing program if I'm not like a beauty influencer? So I'm a wedding invitation designer, not your typical affiliate marketer, but here are 5 different places you can look for joining new affiliate marketing platforms. Okay, so the first is just going to be the most obvious one, and it can encompass a lot of the other ones as well, but that is Amazon. Amazon is one of the easiest affiliate marketing platforms to join, and it's one that almost everyone is really familiar with. You can set up a whole shop on Amazon. Here's what mine looks like, and it can have a bunch of different categories as well as pretty much any type of product. So if there's a product that you want to share and you want to be an affiliate for, if they don't have an affiliate program from the company directly, then maybe check out and see if that product is available on Amazon, because people are already so familiar with buying on Amazon and sending you to their Amazon shop, etc., that it's a really easy transition for people to make into affiliate marketing. So Amazon as a general category. Number 2 is any supplies that you use in your business. So I'm a wedding invitation designer, so supplies are like ribbon, vintage stamps, vellum wraps, types of paper, types of envelopes. All of these companies might have affiliate programs, or again, might be available on Amazon. So just look into any supplies that you use in your job. Number 3 is going to be tools. So that's something like a printer. I've made a lot of affiliate money from this printer because everyone likes to ask invitation designers what printer they use. Tools can be anything from machinery to little gadgets. I know someone who makes a lot of money from affiliate marketing from this tape that has a ruler, like inches marked off on it, because it makes it really easy to mark off signs when she's creating calligraphy signs. So think of all the tools that you use to help make your business easier, and I swear to you, people will be so excited to purchase those. The 4th place to look is in any software that you use in your business. So if you use Photoshop, for instance, for cleaning up your artwork, you can become an affiliate for Adobe. If you use, I use a software called Repurpose that takes all of my Instagram reels and automatically repost them to TikTok. And this is a great option for joining their referral or affiliate program, because people are always asking me, how do you do that? In general, anything that people are asking you how to do, check out and see if they have an affiliate program. I find that software is a really, really powerful one, because in general, it doesn't cost them additionally for each person that joins. So they're more willing to pay you a good percentage, and it makes a good affiliate partner relationship. Whereas selling like a specific type of pen, they have to actually send them the pen, and there's expenses that are associated with that. But in general, with software, they're creating software, and whether they have 100 or 101 members right now, they don't really have to spend any more money. So they're willing to kind of pay you a nice percentage of the subscription fee, which is really nice from an affiliate perspective. And then number 5, a place that a lot of people forget to look, is kind of your office and admin places. And this could be as simple as, like, even if you use a local accountant who's just a guy who has his own accounting firm, or a woman who has her own accounting firm, you can always set up some kind of referral program with them, which is basically the same as affiliate marketing anyway. So this can include softwares like QuickBooks. It could include tools like printers. It could include supplies like your favorite planners and your favorite pens to use with them. But can also include just working with individual vendors. So if there's someone that you really like for social media content, if there's a lawyer that you work with, if there's a bookkeeper that you work with, oftentimes they'll be willing to set up referral fees, because they know you can refer them similar clients that they already enjoy working with and already kind of have some background from working with you. So if you're not sure where to start with affiliate marketing, check out these 5 categories and look for something that sticks out that you can share authentically, that you already are using in your business, and that you absolutely love, because that's going to be the best fit as far as a first affiliate partnership for you. So we're going to talk about this so much more in Clicks to Cash, as well as creating, optimizing content, evaluating your results, and improving upon your affiliate relationships in order to make tons and tons of passive income. So let me know if you have any questions about the course. I'm going to link it in the description for you, and I hope you'll check it out if you're interested in getting started with affiliate marketing. Thanks, everyone.